The district administration on Tuesday announced that the long-pending issue relating to paddy harvesting along the Lapangap-Tapat village belt has been amicably resolved through the intervention of the Meghalaya Chief Minister, the Chief Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, and the active support of traditional leaders. The administration informed that harvesting will formally begin from the 22nd of October 2025. In order to ensure a peaceful atmosphere and prevent any external interference, magistrates along with adequate police forces will be deployed across the area. Expressing appreciation for the cooperation of the local populace, the district administration commended the residents of Lapangap for their patience, discipline, and restraint during the period of negotiation, saying their efforts contributed significantly to achieving a peaceful outcome. Officials added that the administration remains committed to ensuring a smooth, safe, and incident-free harvesting season and has appealed for continued cooperation from all stakeholders to maintain peace and order in the coming days.
No politics, first of all, as highlighted, because we need to live here like earlier days with peaceful coexistence. That is the ultimate crux of the resolution we have come to know out of this particular meeting. Secondly, it is being ensured by our West Jantia Hills counterpart, border magistrate and our learned advocate, and the demand was that whosoever was the culprit behind the incident of killing a native of this particular Tapat village, he would be taken to task. At the same time, he would be handed over as per the procedure of law after due investigation as well as per the procedure of IPC and BNSS. Thirdly, today we have come to know that meeting after meeting we cannot call for, convene for, and everyone cannot attend this meeting time and again, even if we are willing. Because why we cannot await? Because of this particular crop. This particular crop cannot wait for under 4 or 5 days. Okay, we need to know that, and it belongs to someone who is a native of West Jantia Hills or some natives of our own Tapat village at the same time. It will be affected both the counterparts at the same time. So it should be harvested urgently and with the consensus of both these village headmen. My village headman is here, that is Tapat. He has also opined today, and your village Lapangap is here. He has also consented at the same time that there will be no law and order, okay, regarding harvesting. So this has been the thing we have come into conclusion today, that harvesting cannot wait time and again with lot of meetings after meetings, because so many spokesperson is there at the same time. Every day they will be giving a new terms and conditions. We cannot await like that at the same time, because of the fraternity, because of the peaceful coexistence in the greater and larger interest. We need to know that you are going to hand over the culprit whosoever committed this crime on 9th of October, where we lost our dearest brother or Orival Timum. At the same time, we are going ahead with the harvesting and some plantation at the same time, because this has been going on since centuries. It should not be an issue like taking some weapons, threatening each other, because we are in the same boat. We need to know that. And with these few words, I want to conclude here with the hope. Our Augustine, brother Augustine is here. Sir, I'm here, sir. He's the chairman of our peace committee. Lot of responsibilities actually he was being actually vested with, and he's a very worried person. I understand that, but the fact remains, at the same time, we cannot compromise peace at any cost. Okay, and law and order should prevail, peace should prevail, and harvesting should continue at the same time without any further delay with a consensus. Thank you.